That's what happens when you tell somebody you're videoing something. Okay. Right. Anyway, this is the Tektronix 465 oscilloscope. It's got 2 probes plugged into it. I got them hooked up to the calibration, and there's 2 additional probes that it comes with. Other than that, it's an oscilloscope. Not much more to say about it. Either works or it doesn't. Woo! Woo! It's a shame I didn't have my frequency oscillator going. I could have done some Lazasius patterns or something like that, but you're going to have to settle for the tests. RCB. Goodbye.